If you've been following some of my other videos, I've been showing how I believe the sun and moon work over the flat Earth model, and taking advantage of the fact that the atmosphere is full of moisture and that it is acting like a lens. I've done a number of videos, and one of the questions that has come up a number of times actually is, how is it that the clouds can be lit from underneath? Now, in the spinning heliocentric globe model, it's essentially explained that as the Earth is rolling away from the sun, as it's spinning, it rolls such that the sun is at a much lower angle, and because of that angle, the sun is shining up, and the sun rays are hitting the bottom of the clouds. So when you show people the model of the sun going around in a parallel path above the circle of the Earth, they say, well, in that situation, the sun is above the clouds, and so how could it possibly illuminate the bottom of the clouds when it's doing that? So I decided to take up that challenge and see if I could figure that out based on what I had learned in my previous experiments. And so I got one of these stick-em-up LED lights. You kind of push the button, it's got 3 little LED lights inside. And I taped it up so only one of the LED lights is showing, and stuck it on a box and put it on the table with my trusty plastic lens set up here. And I took my stand that I was using for the sun and moon and just set it up right here on top of these little Tupperware things. And I was thinking, okay, so let's just say the bottom of this little stand here represents the bottom of the clouds. And so as you can see here, the light is way above, it's well above what would be the bottom of the clouds in this example. So let's see what happens. I turned off the lights and set my iPhone to record, and I'm showing myself here recording all of this with another camera, and I pulled the light back on the table, and watch what happens here. Ooh, check it out. There's that refraction taking place again. It's got the light. It made the sun set, first of all, below the horizon in this case. And let's just show, this is just the iPhone view. I'm going to bring the cloud in here, and the platform represents the bottom of the clouds. So the sun's going down, and oop, there it is. The bottom of the clouds illuminated by a light source that's well above the clouds, moving parallel over a flat surface. So apparently it's possible for the sun to illuminate the bottom of the clouds even on the flat Earth model.